We are here at BMW Richfield and at the delivery center. Looks like the new G80 is right over there.
Ghost on the ceiling, let me breathe again. 'Cause I just wanna live my life. I'm never backing down. I swear I'm gonna fight the good fight. Just wanna get it right. I'm ready for it now. You know I'm gonna fight the good fight. You know I'm gonna fight the good fight. You know I'm gonna fight the good fight. Fight the good fight. You know I'm gonna fight the good fight. Yeah, I've lost my crown, but no, I will not bow. You know I'm here right now for the long run. Yeah, you see me down, but you know I'll never drown. You know I'll get back up on it somehow. Don't look now, here comes that awful feeling. My walls are caving in.
Feels so weird to have a G80 again. And this is like freaking automatic. What is going on? G80 Zoom here, aka Philly Bimmer Club. It's a bittersweet day. Those of you who have been following me on the last build, the G80 M3 manual is no more. So what was a minor damage a few months back ended up being motor damage, and then ended up being a total loss. So it sucks because you guys know how much I put into that car and stuff like that. But it's bittersweet for me. But we do have some good news. I would like to present to you my brand new G80 M3 competition. So it is not the manual. So I know you guys know how much I'm Save the Manuals crew and how much I love the manual, but it was time for a change. It was a great 3 years with that car. However, obviously I didn't want to lose that car. I wanted to keep it for life, but God had other plans for me, and this spec showed up at BMW Richfield. I want to shout out to my boy Himadri, who found me this build. I was on the way to the dealership, and I was able to put my name on it before anyone else grabbed it. So really, really blessed and very humbled by it. Like this car is an amazing spec. Individual frozen pure gray on the outside, individual fjord blue buckets. Had to get buckets this time. Individual fjord blue buckets, full merino leather. So it's individual on the inside and the outside. Executive package. Obviously, that you see the headlights. You got the laser lights. It's got basically everything. Parking assistance package, drive recorder. It's on the Michelin's 1920s, 826Ms. Did not get the carbon package, but obviously you guys know I'll be rocking the R44 Performance Carbon. So yeah, I'm super, super stoked with this build. We actually will go around a little bit just to show you around. It has the gloss black pieces, the lip spoiler. These will all be obviously modified and changed, but it's a gorgeous, gorgeous build. In the sunlight, the frozen pure gray is amazing. There's a really nice shine to it. But yeah, the G80 M3 manual is no more. This one is a pretty special build, and you guys know it will not be staying stock. So stay tuned. I will do a much better job with YouTube this time because everyone DMs me is like, hey, you gotta do an updated video. I'll try to do a better job, and I'll go slower on this one. Last time I went balls to the wall on that build. I will take it slower and really dive into some better content for you guys, and so you can show you the journey, on YouTube as well as Instagram at G80 Zoom. So that's basically it, and I look forward to more videos in the future, and yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Thank you.